cells. As the world shifts toward clean energy, solar panels have become one of humanity's most important technologies. Their journey begins. The process starts with high-purity quartz, carefully mined and transported for refinement into ultra-pure silicon.
Extreme temperatures transform quartz into silicon, which is then purified to electronic-grade quality suitable for photovoltaic cells.
Using remarkable precision, engineers grow a single crystal ingot that forms the heart of high-efficiency solar cells. Each crystal is carefully shaped to maximize material efficiency before wafer production begins. Diamond-coated wire saws slice each silicon block into wafers thinner than a sheet of paper while minimizing material waste. Chemical treatments remove impurities and create microscopic textures that capture more sunlight. A carefully controlled diffusion process creates the p-n junction, allowing each cell to convert sunlight into electricity. An ultra-thin anti-reflective coating reduces light loss, allowing each solar cell to absorb more energy. Silver conductive pathways are printed with extraordinary accuracy, creating the electrical network that carries clean energy from every solar cell. Before assembly begins, every solar cell is tested under simulated sunlight to measure its electrical performance and ensure consistent quality. Advanced automation groups cells with nearly identical electrical characteristics, maximizing the performance of every completed panel. Robotic stringing systems connect individual cells into long electrical strings, capable of producing usable power. Each cell string is positioned with exceptional accuracy, forming the electrical heart of the finished solar module. High-transparency tempered glass protects delicate solar cells while allowing maximum sunlight to pass through. Multiple engineered layers are assembled into a durable structure designed to withstand decades of outdoor operation. Multiple engineered layers are assembled into a durable structure designed to withstand decades of outdoor operation. Heat, pressure, and vacuum permanently bond every layer into a weather-resistant solar module built to last for decades. Automated trimming creates perfectly finished edges while preparing the panel for its structural frame. A precision-engineered aluminum frame provides the strength needed to protect the panel throughout its service life. The junction box forms the panel's electrical connection, safely delivering clean energy from every photovoltaic cell to the outside world. Invisible to the human eye, microscopic imperfections are detected through electroluminescence imaging, ensuring every panel meets the highest quality standards. Each finished panel is tested under simulated sunlight to verify its exact electrical performance before leaving the factory. Multiple automated inspections confirm structural integrity, electrical safety, and cosmetic perfection before approval. Before packaging, every panel receives a final cleaning to ensure flawless presentation and maximum optical performance. Every module receives a unique digital identity, enabling complete traceability throughout its operational lifetime. Carefully engineered packaging protects each module during transportation across thousands of kilometers. Automated logistics ensure every shipment moves efficiently from production to global distribution. From this factory, solar panels begin their journey to homes, businesses, and renewable energy projects around the world. Once installed, these panels begin producing clean electricity every day, transforming sunlight into a reliable source of renewable energy. From ordinary quartz to advanced photovoltaic technology, every solar panel represents decades of innovation